Good day everyone! Today we will talk about the letter sounds and the words that begins with the letters K, L, M, N. Let us all listen first to the alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Here are pictures that the word begins with the letters K, L, M, N. Letter K. K, K, K. Kangaroo, kangaroo. K, K, key, key. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. K is for key. K is for key. Next letter L. L, L, L. Lion, lion. L, L, lollipop, lollipop. L is for lion. L is for lion. L is for lollipop. L is for lollipop. Next letter M. M, M, M. Map, map. M, M, map, map. M is for map. M is for map. M is for map. M is for mop. Next letter N. N, N, N. Nose, nose. N, N, nail, nail. N is for nose. N is for nose. N is for nail. N is for nail. Okay, let's repeat. Letter K. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Key, key. Letter L. Lion, lion. Lollipop, lollipop. Letter M. Map, map. Mop, mop. Letter N. Nose, nose. Nail, nail. That's the end of the lesson. Bye.